Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to increase location accuracy on Realme C67 device. Okay, many applications and services rely on location data to provide personalized and location-specific information. For example, ride-sharing applications can match users with nearby drivers. Okay, and then how to do that in this device? Let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, open please the settings menu on your device. Okay, after that here please scroll down and then you can select location. After that scroll a little bit and then choose location service. Well, and then here you can select Google Location Accuracy option. After that you can activate it like this. Okay, and then now the location on your device is successfully increased. Well, that's the tutorial on how to increase location accuracy on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.